Read the following passage and answer the questions given at the end. Your own constructed answer will fetch you better marks. Now I start the comprehension, which is one of the most important comprehension according to the examination point of view. Is that clear? Now I read the comprehension. The grand strategy for his campaign against Muslim backwardness envisaged two main activities, namely a weekly periodical to propagate progressive social and religious ideas among the intelligentsia and an institution of higher learning to impart modern education to the new generation. The two projects in his mind were closely interlinked, for without an enlightened public opinion, adequate support for the educational institution and could not be ensured, and obviously without modern education, the new generation would never outgrow its elders' prejudices and misconceptions. Sayyid Ahmad addressed himself to the periodical first. He had tentatively proposed it in a letter dated 22 April 1870 to Mahdi Ali as the organ of an association which he wanted organized before his return to India for the uplift and reform of the Muslim, but with which his connection was not to be divulged. He had a block prepared in England for the title page of the periodicals, which was to be called the Tehzeebul Akhlaq in Urdu and the Mohammedan Social Reformers in English. Now, my dear student, boys and girls, this is BS paper, the year 2012, and this is one of the most important comprehension. So, rest of the question and answer I will try to discuss on the whiteboard. Is that clear? So, I have read paper BA 2012, which is one of the most important according to the coming examination. And it's a question and answer I will discuss on the whiteboard. Now let us read the whiteboard.